Friends, welcome to my channel.
Through my videos, I'll be presenting a few landmark buildings in Kolkata through Calcutta Chronicles. Hope you enjoy. Nandan is a popular cultural and film center in Kolkata. It was set up to encourage and facilitate cinematic awareness among the people. This complex is a venue for various international film festivals. It was inaugurated by filmmaker Satyajit Ray on 2nd September 1985. It is also a popular destination for college students, office goers, and cinema lovers to chill or just hang around, gossiping over endless cups of tea and snacks at the canteen inside the complex. The building in itself has an impressive architectural design and houses a few comparatively large screens for viewing both popular and critically acclaimed films. Adjacent Nandan complex is Rabindra Sadan, which is also a famous center for cultural activities and theatre. Made in memory of Nobel laureate Rabindranath Tagore, dance, drama, and other cultural programs, along with exhibitions, are regularly held at the Sadan. Victoria Memorial is a beautiful monument made by the British to commemorate Queen Victoria's 25-year reign in India. It is located at the heart of the city of Joy, Kolkata, and is a popular tourist spot. This monument is the brainchild of Lord Curzon, who was the Viceroy of India. As we approach the monument from the south, we pass the King Edward VII Memorial Arch with the bronze equestrian statue of the king by Sir Bertram Mackennal. The Victoria Memorial is an iconic landmark of Kolkata and is a reminder of the city's colonial and architectural heritage. It is said that the Victoria Memorial is inspired by the Taj Mahal in terms of its architectural design. The large grounds of the Victoria Memorial has an exquisitely designed garden with colorful flora and fauna, lakes, and statues, and the grassy lawns where people from different walks of life come for morning walks, picnics, to play games, or just to while away the time in the serene atmosphere. Atop the central dome of the Victoria Memorial is the figure of the Angel of Victory. It has a main central dome, four smaller domes, high portals, dome chhatris of octagonal shape, dome towers at the corners, and the terrace. Now we have come to the entrance of the museum. After following the standard COVID protocols of sanitizing hands, wearing masks, and checking the temperature, we will be permitted to enter the monument. Architectural design is a mixture of British and Mughal elements with Egyptian, Deccan, and Islamic influences. The Victoria Memorial has various galleries such as the Royal Gallery, the National Leaders Gallery, the Portrait, Central Hall, the Sculpture Gallery, and the Arms and Armoury Gallery. Nirbhik Subhash, or the Irrepressible Subhash, a multimedia exhibition celebrating the 125th birth anniversary of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, is being held at the Victoria Memorial this year from January the 28th. Netaji's life history and India's freedom struggle has been shown through the original artifacts, pictures, replicas, objects, and documentaries. Surrounding the dome are allegorical sculptures including art, architecture, justice, and charity, and above the North Fork are motherhood, prudence, and learning.